Early morning, we packed our stuff, loaded into the Ford Expedition, and visited Walmart to buy some more essentials. Then we left Tempe behind and started our road trip over Interstate 8 along the US-Mexican border towards San Diego. Arizona has vast deserted terrain under the endless skies, which tempted us to fly the drone over the Sonoran desert. The highway runs parallel to the historic Southern Pacific Railroad and passes amongst the giant Saguaro Cactuses. We stopped again at the site of numerous windmills line the horizon, utilizing the wind flowing over this arid terrain. After a 200 miles long drive through the deserts of Arizona, at Yuma we entered the state of California. California is the only state in the United States with extensive deployment of wind, solar and geothermal energy. Soon, the landscape began to change dramatically from dry yellow to lush green as we neared San Diego City. There we parked our car in Bay Area to visit the USS Midway, the longest serving aircraft carrier of the United States. Today, this majestic naval ship has become a museum with an extensive collection of aircraft stationed at the Navy Pier. At USS Midway, I got a chance to explore the complex insides of the various helicopters operated in the war. There was so much to explore inside this vessel, from elaborate systems to the staff bedrooms and kitchen. Later, we went to Coronado, one of the finest beaches in America, located on the Pacific coast of San Diego. After spending some time at Fort Rosecrans National Cemetery, we started driving on Interstate 5 towards Los Angeles.